Amara was an 11-year-old girl was deaf at birth.
Bye, sweetie hat. Great first day at school.
Bye, Mama. Hi, wanna be friends? I'm new.
Are you new?
Hello? Are you deaf? Why aren't you answering me?
Oh my. She used sign language, she's deaf.
So that means we can tease her without her knowing.
No, they're laughing at me. Mama told me people wouldn't like my clothes.
Go away, deaf girl. We don't want to be with someone that is pointless.
Okay, class, we have a new student. Amara, please raise your hand.
Why is everyone staring at me? Wasn't I meant to have a teacher that helps me?
So we all have been working a government project in pairs. Emily, you'll be with Emma.
Yes, yes.
Angelo, you're with Charlie.
No, please, not with that weirdo.
And Caleb, you're with Amara.
Hi Amara, I'm Caleb. How do you like this school so far?
I don't know. I don't think I have any friends yet.
Oh, you want to be friends?
Yeah, of course.